know, you haven't seen me in so long. Psh, past that. Hi, I'm Mansi, and welcome to my channel. There's not much to say, but let's get right into this video. I'm just going to wet my hair, and what I like to do is I like to be very detailed. I'm using this brand, so let's get right into it. And then after that, we're gonna go in with the Tsubaki conditioner. It smells amazing and it definitely does moisturize. I have this much left because my sister wanted to use it. So let's get started. I'm just gonna put it at the tips of my hair. Like, look at that. Crazy. I am officially done. I literally can't see you guys, but I'm done. All the way to the end. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.